Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 6. Learning Competency. Identify the basic needs of all living things such as air, food, water, and shelter.
Whoops. Teachers, if you want to purchase the soft copy of the file, lesson plan, PPT presentation, and instructional materials you can use for your CO or classroom observation, reclass or ECP, final demo, or for Teacher 1 application or ranking, you can purchase the soft copy of the file through the link below.
Today, we will discuss the basic needs of living things. But before that, think of any living thing, and say one simple sentence about what it needs to survive. Alright, living things are alive, they grow and change over time, they reproduce, they move on their own, and they respond to changes in their environment. The term, basic need, refers to anything that they need, and cannot live without. All living things need water for drinking, bathing, washing, and watering plants. Plants and animals, like humans, need food, water, air, and shelter to survive. Plants also need sunlight and soil to grow and stay healthy. Water, food, air, sunlight, and shelter are basic needs because living things cannot survive without them. All living things share these basic needs to stay alive. Water is important for drinking, cleaning, and helping plants grow. We must conserve water by turning off the faucet when not in use, and using only what we need. Thank you for listening.